Hi everyone. Oh my god, welcome back to my channel, guys. Oh my god, we just went out and we have no electric in the house, and it's very windy here in Quebec. That's why. And look at this, guys. Our bumper just flew away when Rock is driving. Our bumper just flew away because it's so windy. Look at this. Oh my god, what's going on here? It's like there's a lot of problems in the world. It's like there's earthquake in the Philippines, there's fire problems in California, and here in Quebec we have windy problems. Hey, it's crazy, but you can't really fight nature, so we really have to respect it. And I really hope that people would respect the nature, so that we don't have all these kind of problems. Because I think all the natural disasters are getting worse and worse every year. So I don't know if we have something to do with what we were doing with the earth. So I hope people would stop throwing garbage anywhere and take care of the earth, because I think this is one of the effects of the problems with the environment. But anyhow, we are here in someone's house because Rock just bought a pistol grip for his Challenger. So we're gonna pick it up, and I'm just waiting inside the car because it's very windy and cold. Oh my god, guys, I really hope that our electric will come back soon. It's very, very cold and windy. Look at outside, it's so windy. Very windy outside. There's been a lot of accidents on the road. There's a truck that I don't know, I think what happened. I think the truck fell down, and there's a lot of water. It was raining a lot last night too, so that's what had happened, I think. But I hope they would stop. Lord God, please stop this, because it's okay not to have electric, but the problem is we use gas for our heater, so we cannot use it, and it's cold in the house. So that's why we're driving around and just waiting for the electric company to so I'm really hoping and praying that the electric will come back, because we use electric for our heater. I mean, we use gas, but it needs an electric to run for it. So when we don't have electric, we don't have a heater. It's very cold right now. It's supposed to be -3 tonight, so I really hope that before nighttime the electric will come back. But we really don't know, because there's been a lot of problems on the road. A lot of trees fell down. There's a lot of electric how you say it, I forgot about it. There's a lot of trees that fell down on the electric lines. So I think that's what had happened. It's everywhere, guys. It's unbelievable. It's crazy, but that's what it is. We're just hoping and praying that it will stop soon, but the weather report says that it's supposed to stop before 8 o'clock at night. So it's crazy too, because if there's no electric, you can't cook. At least in the Philippines, pag walang kuryente, makakakain ka pa rin, kasi wood yung ginagamit natin at saka gas. So may gas naman kami downstairs. Ang problema is pag ginagamit namin yun, nag-a-alarm naman yung smoke detector, so wala kaming magawa. So we just bought cakes and soda and juices, so we just really hope that it would stop soon. Oh my god, there's a lot of problems everywhere, but there's nothing we can do about it. Just pray and hope for the better. And it will hope that maraming problem sa buong mundo. Imagine earthquake, fire problem in California, and here it's windy problem, and oh my god, it's crazy. But anyhow, there's nothing we can do about it. And that's it, guys, and I hope you're all safe and have a good one, guys. Bye bye, and thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching it. Salamat sa mga nagsusubscribe. Salamat po. Bye bye. You don't mind? You don't like the ilang puso? So we've been seeing a lot of trees fell down. On a passé ici qui vient de Québec.
On a déjà passé par ici.
Et comme ça, c'est correct, regarde ça, la nurserie, là. The nursery, for the plants.
Votre chantier ici n'est pas récolté.
Mais la semaine prochaine, il y a des neiges, 3 jours, je pense. Peut-être qu'ils vont finir, là, mais parce que le soleil commence à... It's very windy. When you were at the back, I can even feel the car shaking.
Ben ouais. Ouais, il fait beau là.
Oui, la scène.
Regarde les bardeaux ici, t'es tout, regarde.